I moved to Austin to go to school in 2000, and my dad is also a dentist, and he went to dental school with Dr. Mark. And while I was going to school, I got a toothache, and it was during midterms, and I wasn't able to go home to see my dad to get it fixed. And so he called up Dr. Mark, his old friend from dental school from 20 years ago, and he was able to take care of me and get me out of pain, and was a huge help. And I started babysitting for Dr. Mark and his family, and then I got offered a part-time job here in the office, and it's just evolved into a full-time job, and I've been here since 2003, and I love it. My experience here, before I came to work here, when I first came as a patient and had the toothache, I was blown away when I walked in the door. I couldn't believe that there were dental offices out there that looked like this. Like I said, my dad's also a dentist, and we're from a small town, and he also has a very nice office, but there's definitely no dental spas in small towns in North Texas. And so I was really shocked just by the way the office appeared and the way that they treat you, and how Dr. Mark just genuinely cares about his patients and the treatment that they receive. I started talking about having the veneers done, and I started talking to my dad about it and what he thought about me having that done. He doesn't do a whole lot of cosmetic work, and when I asked him, he said that he thought it was a good idea if that's what I wanted to do, and that there was no one else out there that he would let touch his daughter other than himself and Dr. Mark. And he said, if you want to have that done, he said he is the one to do it, and he's the best. And I think that really says a lot for Dr. Sweeney, coming from another dentist and another colleague. And so I had the 10 veneers done, and I love it. I wouldn't go back. I get so many compliments, and I like also being able to show the patients in person what it looks like and what the results can be. And people say stuff all the time. They say, oh, you have such a beautiful smile, or how do you keep your teeth so white? And I just tell them I have a great dentist, and tell them, you can have it too.